I love that you can't see the haters.
What?
Bop, 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 bop. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah from Wheelsboutique. Here we have two Revueltos. We all know that this car doesn't sound as good as its predecessor. However, we got two separate options here for you today that I think might change your mind. Let's take a listen. So, Blu Cepheus, blue, correct?
Yes.
We're getting somewhere. This one has a FI full exhaust, sounds pretty insane. This is my first time listening to both of them, so again, this is just raw reaction. And then this one has our Gintani. We'll take a listen to both of them first, and then we'll talk about the elephant in the room. you guys probably heard it better than I did. They both sounded absolutely amazing. If I have to pick one, it has to be the Gintani, due to the simple fact that I did get to see some flames. So I could only imagine that at nighttime, this thing is just gonna bop, 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 bop. Now, to address the obvious differences in the exterior, that is our Revuelto. That's how it comes from the factory. This one, however, has the insane Duke's Dynamics kit. This looks like a true Batmobile. This looks like if you grab whatever Batman and you put him in the Lambo like you did Christian Bale, this is it for this decade.
So what do you think? Does it come in black?
The hood, insane. The front lip, I absolutely love these cutouts. The best one is over here on this side skirt. The Revuelto badge gets transferred from the body all the way to the side skirt. And then obviously you have the dual fin. This is the fin that comes from factory. And then this would be the add-on from Duke Dynamics. However, the most insane part is obviously around back. The cover for the engine that leaves the engine obviously fully exposed has been completely replaced. Then you have this insane functional air scoop with the fin, as well as the reverse gooseneck wing with the hexagon motif that Lamborghini is known for. Going down to the lower diffuser, you could really tell how much more aggressive this diffuser is, but these lights from Duke's absolutely murder it. This really makes it look like the true poster car, that wedge, that aggression. I mean, you can't tell me. You can't tell me I'm wrong. But let's take this one out for a spin. I want to see how it handles in real time. Have it, two phenomenal Revueltos. Please let me know what you think about each exhaust. Remember, this one has the FI, this one has the Gintani with the full Duke Dynamics system. Driving this car, this thing doesn't let off. The power is absolutely insane. You're like 4,000 RPM and you realize you got that much more to go. Ugh, such an amazing car. I'm really happy with this replacement for the Aventador. I think it's perfect. I mean, it just looks amazing. That's one of my favorite things. It looks really, really, really Lamborghini, undeniably. But that's all for me today. My name is Noah. Please, if you like the video, smash the like button. As always, hit the subscribe. You know you want to see more stuff like this. We got the most insane stuff coming up later on this year. Always follow us on our social, Instagram, over at Wheelsboutique. If you have a question, please drop an email to us at info@Wheelsboutique, or go on our website where you can find our amazing gallery and browse through almost every single project we have done. That's all for me today. My name is Noah, and from all of us here at Wheelsboutique, I thank you for watching.